Lolo. Lolo, look what I have. What is it? 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 Is that funny?
Yeah.
What is it? What do you think it is?
What's that?
What is it? You tell me. You put it on? Careful.
I need to put my head.
You need to put it on your head?
Oh.
Do you know what that's from?
Mommy, it's too heavy.
It's so heavy on your head?
Oh.
Oh, no.
What happened in mine?
You want help?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, why don't you stand up? Okay, stand up. This is making you silly. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, stand still. Okay? Stand still. That means stop. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, stop. I gotta try it with one hand, so it's not easy. Hey, I think that fits. That's perfect. I think...
Daddy, that's mine.
Okay, go pick it up. Can you say, thanks, Callie?
Thanks, Callie.
Say, I love you so much.
I love you so much.
You want to? She's not on here. I was videoing you. So you gotta look so super sweet. Can you look super sweet? Give me your sweetest, cutest face, Lolo. Well, that one's for Alex. You want to go show him?
Okay.
Okay, let's go show him.